power outages have occurred in parts of southwestern France today, and roads and railways have been blocked as torrential rains had caused flash floods and high river levels in several departments. The Pyrenees, Landes, Haute-Garonne and Ariège were hit hardest, with floods caused by heavy rainfall, ranging from 80 mm in the lowlands to 250 mm in the Pyrenees Mountains. The floods have particularly affected the region of the River de l'Oron, which flows through the Landes and the Atlantic Pyrenees. Some flooding has been reported in Ariège, especially on its routes towards Andorra. Access to the principality was blocked earlier this morning due to snow. More than 100 homes were affected by flooding. Firefighters and rescuers were called in about 500 incidents in the department. Schools finished at 12 o'clock. Special buses were used to deliver students to their homes due to the flooding. Warm southerly winds that have melted snow drifts in the Pyrenees Mountains in recent days have also contributed to the flooding, which will continue for several days. The French Meteo Agency also warned of a high risk of avalanches in the Pyrenees, which separate France from Spain, where local flooding has also been reported. The regional government of the Spanish region of Navarra said on Friday that several buildings and cars were damaged in its car after a landslide that followed 2 weeks of torrential rains in its car, and more than 100 houses were de-energized.